So you're wanting to set up your new website with a Google Analytics account. Maybe you already have Google Analytics set up and you want to migrate over to Google Analytics 4, or maybe you don't have any analytics at all and you want to set it up for the first time. That's exactly what I'm going to show you in this video. So if you haven't already created an account, you'll want to do that. Just go to analytics.google.com, and then once you're in, I have several accounts within here, so I'm just going to go ahead and go to the admin icon in the bottom left corner, and then you'll see here it gives me the option to create an account, and that's what I want to do. Now this is going to be for Players Sports Bar and Grill. Alright, so it kind of has some defaults here about like what information you want to share with Google. I'm just going to leave the defaults there for this. All right, now we have the property name. So you can have different properties for a single account. For example, maybe you have an app, maybe you have a website. Those are two different properties. So for this one, we're just talking about a website. So we're going to just say Players Website. You can set the time zone. In this case, we are Denver time. Currency US dollar, we'll leave that, and then go ahead and click next. And then here we're going to choose our industry. We're food and drink because this is a restaurant. We've got 11 to 100 employees. And the reason why we're using Google Analytics, or how we intend to use it, we're going to say we want to measure our customer engagement with our site or app. Obviously you choose whichever ones apply to you. Then you got to accept their terms of service, and there we go. So we've got our property created, as you can see here, and then we're going to choose a platform for our stream, which is web, and of course we need to enter in the URL of the website, and then make sure you leave enhanced measurement checked. This is going to help with measuring different things, page views, scrolls, outbound clicks. You can see there's a few different options here that won't be included if you don't leave enhanced measurement checked. So let's leave that checked and click create stream. And there we go. So now all we have to do is copy over our either our embed code into our website, or if you're going to use Google Tag Manager, which I'll show in another video, you'll just copy and paste this ID. So depending on which route you're going to go, it depends, how you're going to do this. If you want to click View Tag Instructions, that will give you your embed code. Click Install Manually. You can see there are some here that will help you to install it. If you just click Install Manually, here you go. This is the code that needs to be inserted into your website. You can copy that. All right, so I'm into my WordPress website. I'm just going to go ahead and add this. You don't want to, you would want to use a child theme or something that's not going to get overwritten. So I'm going to go into, where's my header? Immediately after the head element. So you can see here after head, then they want it up here. But as long as they're inside the head, you should be fine. Make sure we paste the right. There we go. So we got our Google Analytics tag in there. Now we're going to update this. And then what you want to do, there is a plugin, a browser extension actually, called Google Tag Assistant. So this will help you to check to make sure that your Google Analytics tag is firing. So I'm going to open this in another tab. Go ahead and install this plugin. You'll need to select Enable and then refresh the page. And then this will tell you if you have a tag firing. So as you can see, it's saying our global site tag is firing. This is helpful because sometimes you'll wind up with multiple Google Analytics tags firing, and it will help you to figure that out. So we can see our tag is firing as expected, and it's pretty simple. That's all you got to do to get your Google Analytics set up. Check out the rest of the videos in our series. You can learn how to set this up with Google Tag Manager for custom events and things like that. My name is Ricky Jones of the Concierge Web Company. Thank you for watching. Please follow for more helpful videos like this one.